If you've ever wanted to grow your own food, but maybe felt overwhelmed or short on space or just scared that you would mess it up, well, this is your sign to start small. Today, I am setting up 3 beautiful terracotta pots that are designed to stay moist, stay warm, and grow an insane amount of food, even if you're a beginner. So growing in small pots is actually a great way to start gardening, and you can see what's happening really quickly. You could easily fix problems fast, and they grow way more food than you think. But terracotta does have a tendency to dry out fast, and so I will be sure to address that problem and do all I can to ensure that the soil stays moist. All right, so our pot sizes are, so we have a 10, a 12, and a 16. So the first thing I'm going to do is amend the soil. I'm going to make what I call a forever soil. It's going to hold water and feed the plants. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be using some raised garden bed soil, or potting mix, if you will, earthworm castings, and compost. And I'm adding also some vermiculite to hold moisture and perlite to improve drainage and provide aeration. We want to give the plants air, water, nutrients, and warmth all at once. After I was all done planting, I was sure to top off the pots with a layer of mulch in order to lock in that moisture. Now I wanted to take a moment just to kind of share with you a little hack that I used to plant up the green onions in this pot, which actually I just did this a few weeks ago in one of my raised garden beds, but I just take organic green onions right from the grocery store, chop off the tops about 3 to 4 inches from the root, and then take those roots now and plop them right down into the soil. That easy. And within days, they start to regrow, and in a matter of weeks, you'll be harvesting them and you'll have green onions all season long. Now let me walk you through what I planted and how each container came together. So starting here, this medium 12-inch pot features a soft blend of edible greens and seasonal color, with kale as the anchor, surrounded by cheerful pansies, delicate lobelia, and airy alyssum flowers that add a light romantic texture. Moving over to this smaller 10-inch pot, you'll notice how beautifully the parsley has really filled in, creating a lush, full centerpiece. And I paired it again with the cascading lobelia and touches of alyssum for contrast and movement. I especially love the way the lobelia gently drapes over the edges. I feel like it really gives the whole arrangement such an effortless, elegant feel. And finally, in this larger 16-inch statement pot, I layered a vibrant mix of greens and color. At the center sits the rainbow Swiss chard, surrounded by purple and yellow pansies, red and green romaine, butterhead lettuce, thyme, and fresh green onions. It's a container designed to be both beautiful and yet incredibly productive. And I really tried to blend the ornamental charm with our everyday harvest. Well, it's been a few months now since we potted up our plants, and I just cannot believe the growth, and I couldn't be happier with the results. So I am really looking forward to coming out here and harvesting off of my little salad bowl that I have going on here in the next upcoming months. So if you've been thinking about gardening, or maybe have been intimidated by starting a garden because you didn't think that maybe your yard was big enough or you have enough space, I hope that you will find inspiration and know that you can grow your own food just using some simple pots. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel. I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!